Hey there. Week 3, working from our home office. Last week was a momentous week. We got a stimulus package out of Washington, the CARES Act, the Coronavirus Aid Relief and Economic Securities Act, and the market responded extraordinarily strongly 3 days in a row. We bounced off the bottom. We've gotten a little bit of a recovery here. Will that truly be the bottom? I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. Often markets test bottom several times before we hit bottom and start to move back into a strong upward momentum. I don't know if we're there yet, but time will tell. We're taking a very common sense approach to managing portfolios in this time of economic difficulty. We're underweight U.S. equities right now, and we will slowly come back up to an equal weighting and depending on your investment objective, maybe even a slightly overweighting as time goes by. We're going to systematically do that by dollar cost averaging back into U.S. equities over the course of the next weeks and our months as the markets permit. If you have questions about that, your individual situation, give me a call. I'll be happy to visit with you about that. If you're concerned about where we are, remember that the market will recover. I don't know how long it will take, but the economy will recover, the market will recover, and it's probably going to be strong when it happens. 2021 will probably be an economically stronger year than 2020, obviously. I'd like to relay a little story about where I think we are. We're entering in the second phase of this crisis. When my dad died in 2002, it was very difficult for me. I was still a young man. I was very grief-stricken, and I was in a funk. I didn't know how to get out of it. So I resorted to what's always been a salvation for me, which is physical activity. And I started a 12-week exercise program that I was challenged myself to get up at 5:30 in the morning every day and be at the gym by 6. Now, those of you that know me know I don't have meetings before 9 o'clock. I am not a morning guy, never have been. I once slept through my 2 o'clock in the afternoon class in college. So I'm not a morning guy. But I got up every day at 5:30, and weeks 1 through 4 were great. I was all excited. I was proud of myself. Week 5 came, and week 5 through 10 were drudgery. They were very difficult for me. I had to force myself to get up, but I felt a strong sense of accomplishment every day when I completed my workout and was home at 7 o'clock. I think that's where we are. We're in the second stage. There's no way around it, guys. April is going to be hard. It's going to be hard on the markets. It's going to be more volatility. It's going to be hard economically. A lot of people have lost their jobs, are going to be struggling. Hopefully the relief that comes out of Washington will be helpful, but there's just no way around it. April's going to be a difficult month. I encourage you to continue to social distance, but also to reach out. Reach out to your neighbors, reach out to your friends, people you haven't talked to in a while. Strengthen the relationships in your life and take this time to really reconnect with people that you maybe haven't talked to in a while. Relationships are our greatest asset. I know that we're all going through a difficult time, but I also know that we're all going to come out of this. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll get through all of this together. If you need me, call me and we can visit. Take care. God bless.